Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wing. And Chud's Barbecue, I saw your video with the honey sriracha
spicy sriracha sauce. But what we must do first, in the cooler. Hey man, y'all out there, wash your meat, okay? Wash your meat before you eat. Wash your meat while you in the shower. Wash your meat. The word on this Sunday is make sure you wash your meat. After your meat has been good and washed, I've got this new seasoning that I picked up today. It's called Suckle Busters Clucker Dust. We're gonna try that today on this chicken. So, Clucker Dust, chicken rub, best in Texas. Says it's good for everything, so I'm gonna give it real healthy portion on this chicken. I don't pat my chicken dry. I know some of y'all do. I don't. And then, oh, woo! The clucker dust. Woo! That clucker dust got me. That seasoning must gonna be all right when it choke you up like that. Oh, even when I wash the chicken, see, you still may miss a feather. Get that feather off, man. People don't want to eat no feather. Woo wee, boy, that clucker dust had me. Y'all need to y'all need to get you some fucking clucker dust. Woo. That's gonna be on the comedy reel right there. Yeah, I know you going in again. Yeah, but this time I'm standing back, son. Hint of pepper, hint of sweet, hint of butter in my nose. Let me wait a second. Okay. I hear your clucker dust. That's how you get it done. Okay, folks. I got my chicken seasoned. I'm going to go out here, light the pit, get my grease ready, put these in the refrigerator so the salt can melt in there like Chud said. I'm going to try it. See y'all in a bit. Light the charcoal. Put 10 wings on each if possible. I didn't count them before I seasoned them all up. Smoker, charcoal, and then fry it.
got a little bit more char on them. Why are you whispering? Why are you whispering?
I guess I can turn the volume down off of it. Do that. Get the sauce out of it. Oh, you know, you got your camera going. Not too sweet in there. Any more honey, juice, anything? Sriracha?
Yeah.
Okay, I see where you're coming from, Chud. That's real nice. Little honey. Okay, you got it.
Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wing Sunday. That's what we do here. That's what we do here. That's what we do here in the cooler. Chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken wings. And Chud's Barbecue, I saw your video with the honey sriracha for the chicken wings. So I'm gonna do 3 different types of chicken wings today. I'm gonna do smoke them in the Traeger. I'm gonna grill them on my regular old red pit. And then I'm also going to fry some. So 3 different types of chicken wings with that Chud's honey sriracha sauce. It's gonna be a little different because I don't have any vinegar. I got apple juice, and I'm gonna use the butter. I don't have his seasoning, but I need to order some Chud's seasoning just in case. But I do got a different type of seasoning that I'm gonna put in there. So get ready for Sunday chicken wing, baby. Chicken wings are complete on this Super Sunday. We got fried, we've got Traegered, we've got grilled over charcoal. They all look great. You got fried, you got Traeger, you got grilled. Always to me, charcoal food looks the best because it gives you a char without burning. As you can see, the char on here without burning. A little sauce on there. And then here, they're just like a nice brown color from the smoke. And then you got the fried ones who, you know, fried without any batter. That way everybody can eat those. So all in all, here you are, grilled, or I should say barbecue North Carolina style, Texas style, smoked with wood, fried everybody style. Good night.